Hello, and welcome back to this course on Git, and to Section 2, Learning the Basics of Git. In this video, we're going to learn how to configure and initialize a Git repository on your local file system. When you turn a folder on your file system into a Git repository, you run the git init command from inside that folder on the terminal. This creates a folder in the current directory called .git. The .git folder contains all the necessary files that you will need to start tracking and committing your file's changes to the repository. Now, let's take a look at this in practice in the terminal. Now that we are in the terminal, I'm going to make a new directory called my Git project. And then I'm going to change directory into this directory in my terminal. And I'm going to do the same in the Finder window. Now, in this folder, there are currently no files, but if I run the git init command to change this folder into a Git repository, we will see a message saying that we have initialized an empty Git repository in the current folder. Now, in the Finder window, you won't see any files at the moment, but that's because the .git folder is a hidden file or folder. This means the name of the folder starts with a period, which prevents Finder from showing it. This is because the name of the folder begins with a full stop, which prevents Finder from showing this folder in the window. But if we use the command ls with the option A to show all files, we can see the current folder, the parent folder, and the .git folder are shown there. Now that we have run git init and created the .git folder, we are ready to start tracking changes to files in this folder.